Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. International artiste Estelle to stun a local audience at a star-studded event. The London-born singer will perform at a special live concert marking the 40th anniversary of VP Records and the album launch of Strictly the Best Volumes 58 and 59. The exclusive invitation-only event slated for Wednesday, January 30 at Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records in Montego Bay will see the Grammy Award-winning songstress joining an impressive lineup that includes Alba Rossi, Beanie Man, Christopher Martin, Shenseea, TJ, and Raging Fire, amongst others. The event will be live locally through media partners Fame 95 FM and RETV. Watch parties are planned for Ocho Rios, Kingston, New York, Atlanta, Toronto, and Fort Lauderdale. Estelle is also confirmed for a solo live performance at the Coral Cliff Gaming Entertainment Center. Following her appearance in Jamaica, Estelle embarks on a tour of the US East Coast as she promotes her latest album, Lovers Rock. Now to news overseas, where pop star Rihanna is suing her father for fraud. The pop superstar, real name Robin Fenty, has filed a lawsuit against her father Ronald Fenty in a dispute over the use of the Fenty name by their respective companies. The Bajan singer's label, Fenty, which sells cosmetics, lingerie, and sportswear in collaboration with Puma, does not want to be affiliated with her father's company, Fenty Entertainment. The work singer's lawsuit argues that her father's company has misled the public and damaged her brand. The lawsuit also argues that Fenty Entertainment attempted to book a 15-date Rihanna tour in South America, plus concerts in Los Angeles and Las Vegas without Rihanna's permission. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.